Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest flight tickets using the Skyscanner app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Skyscanner app, then go to the flights tab on the top of the screen, and here first you have to choose the airport that you are traveling from, and here you can choose the destination, let's say Dubai. Then you have to choose the period that you would like to travel in, and here a very useful feature comes in, which is going to show you the cheapest days to travel. As you can see, if I go to July, here I can see the prices right below the ticket, the dates. So right now it's in Romanian currency, in lei, but it's you have to divide it by 5 to find the US dollar price, which is like $20. So yeah, here you can see the prices, and then you can choose the dates to travel. Let's say this one and this one, and just tap on done, and it's going to show you tickets. Now you can sort the tickets by these categories. Flights to Dubai, you can sort it by best, you can sort it by cheapest, fastest, direct, or you can add all filters. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how to find the cheapest and best tickets, flight tickets, using the Skyscanner app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.